Heilman Dining Center was renovated 15 years ago. A lot has happened in college dining, therefore we felt that we needed to renovate. We need to reflect current trends and what's happening in the marketplace. My name's Terry Baker, and I am the Executive Dining Service Director at the University of Richmond. We decided to renovate the whole facility, but we knew we couldn't focus on the whole facility in one short summer. We decided to focus on 4 key areas: the entrance to the facility, the salad bar station, the dessert station, and the central beverage station. Students come here want a variety of different choices. They eat in different patterns than they used to years ago. They would go to the pizza station at the same time that they would go pick up a burger. At the same time, they might go pick up a salad bar, a full course meal there. So students eat more tapas style, and that's what we want to reflect in our trends and options too. We want the students here to have the best possible dining experience. We want healthy, nutritional food that would fuel their bodies to help their education and studying. We want them to have foods that they would have back home that are authentic and real. We want them to have plant-forward foods focused on sustainability initiatives and be able to suffice all their dietary needs. In dining services, we are passionate about composting. We started it last year in November and continue it all the way through COVID. We do it now in our kitchen here at HDC. We do it in all of our retail locations. We continue it forward, and we're even implementing more steps to be further compostable in all our products for the fall. We enjoy making the students happy and engaging with them and trying to provide platforms and ideas and opportunities for them to engage with us to provide those foods.